In this video, I want to introduce you to 5 of the most accurate and powerful TradingView indicators. You are very lucky that this video is in your way. With these 5 indicators, you will easily experience profitable scalping tradings. I promise you that if you use these few indicators in your trades, you will work better than a professional trader, and you will become a millionaire. In this video, we'll teach you how to use these indicators and what indicators to combine with them to achieve a high win rate. So please watch this video carefully because I will teach you many very important points at any time. Hello dear traders. I'm so glad you enjoyed the previous videos, so I decided to give you all I know about trading strategy. Here are 5 indicators that, by combining these indicators, you can create a profitable personal strategy for yourself. Let's introduce the first indicator. Well, in the search field, search for the Auto HP indicator. Add this indicator to the chart. After adding the indicator to the chart, it starts analyzing this chart. First of all, let's go to the indicator settings. I turn off the tables option to make the chart look a little empty. Well, the indicator is ready. Let's go to the tutorial on how to use this indicator. This indicator first analyzes the chart and finds whatever pattern is formed in the chart. And then, according to the pattern formed in the chart, it issues a buy or sell signal. And simultaneously with the entry point shows the position targets on the chart. Here he issued a sell signal, and according to the analysis he did on the chart, he also identified the targets of this position. Put stop loss here. See how well the targets in this position are displayed in the right place. Here is target 1. Here is target 2. We are now in the live market. We are waiting to see where this sales position will end up. Then you will realize the power of this indicator. This indicator analyzes the chart based on price action and finds harmonic patterns and identifies the best entry and exit points from the buy and sell position. Working with this indicator is very easy and at the same time profitable. If you pay attention, the time frame is 1 minute, and this indicator has detected the market trend in this short time frame by drawing price action patterns, and has a lower percentage of fake signals. This strategy is capable of analyzing any currency at any time frame, and issues very accurate signals based on price action harmonic patterns. We will test all the time frames later, so please watch the video carefully. Here I show HeWhoMustNotBeNamed strategy in a real live chart, because I used this strategy in scalping trading and I made high profits. As you can see, I have no information about the future of the market, and the chart is moving according to the analysis of the indicator. And the price reached target 2. After this, let's test a buy position with this indicator, then let's go to the next indicators. Here the price came back and I closed the trade with a profit. Now we are waiting for the indicator to analyze the chart and issue a buy signal, then we will enter the buy position. Well, our indicator reanalyzed the chart and found a pattern, and based on this harmonic pattern has issued a buy signal. You can see that this was the previous price drop, then it issued a buy signal to us again. Here I enter the buy position. The indicator itself specifies the targets. This is the first target, this is the second target, and this is the third target. And it has specified the stop loss here according to price action. The previous position issued a sell signal from here and reached full profit. And then here immediately issued a buy signal. You can see for yourself that I test the indicator in a real and live chart, to see the power of this indicator. We are waiting to see where the price chart goes. I will speed up the video a bit so that you do not waste your time. If you pay attention here, our indicator has given the name of this pattern here. I am adding the CCI indicator to the chart here to identify the price chart path. I go to the indicator settings and apply the changes to give us better results. I have already made a strategy from CCI indicator that has a 100% win rate. I will put the link of this video above, be sure to go and see. See here the CCI indicator confirms the sell signal, and shows that the direction of the price chart is correct. Here, too, it has confirmed the continuation of the downtrend, and here, too, it has issued an exit point from the trad. Well, I got help from the CCI indicator to determine the direction of the price chart. We realized that the price chart wants to move upwards. So I close the CCI indicator, and wait for this position to hit the targets. The first target was hit. The price chart reached the second goal. We are not waiting for target 3 anymore because the indicator gave us a sell signal right now. And right now we are leaving the position with a profit. You can see for yourself that the price candle went down from there. It works very accurately. Okay, dear traders, let's test this indicator in 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if it really works well in 5 minutes time frame. I change the time frame to 5 minutes. I add the indicator to the chart again. I turn off this option to empty the chart. Yes, as you can see, the indicator has issued a sell signal here. I open the selling position from the entry point. This is target 1. You can see that the price has come up close to target 2 and is back. Here we have the risk of rewarding 3. At 5 minutes time frame, the indicator detects this harmonic pattern in the Bitcoin chart and issues a sell signal according to this pattern. Let's add the next indicator to the chart and combine it with this indicator. Search for the Williams indicator here. Add this indicator to the chart. Go to the Williams indicator settings and make some minor changes as I see fit. Change the number 20 to 40 here. The Williams indicator is ready. Well, I add the auto HP indicator to the chart again, to reanalyze the chart. The indicator is analyzing the 1-minute Bitcoin chart. Wait a moment. Okay, after analyzing the chart, detected a harmonic pattern and issued a sell signal. Here our indicator has issued a sell signal, and marked the entry point. Well, we use the Williams indicator to confirm the signals. I enter the sales position. Here candle has reached the first target. We have to wait and see if the price reaches the second target. Here the Williams indicator has exactly confirmed the auto HP indicator signal, and this signal is completely valid. If you use the Williams indicator and get a confirmation signal, the win rate of this strategy will be 100%. If you want to always benefit from this strategy, be sure to get help from the Williams indicator to confirm the signal. Let me test this strategy at a higher time frame. I'm sure you will be amazed at the signaling of this strategy. We are currently on the 45-minute time frame chart. Here the auto HP indicator has issued a buy signal. I also put the stop loss where it's specified. See here how accurately the Williams indicator issued a buy signal. I draw a vertical line on the chart here for you to understand better. Here, the yellow line crosses the blue line from the bottom up and confirms this buy signal in a timely manner. This is one of my most accurate personal strategies, which I gave you as a gift in this video. Be sure to like this video to encourage me. Let's do a 1-hour time frame test. The indicator is analyzing the 1-hour Bitcoin chart. Well, here it has already issued a signal to enter the position 3 times already. I checked the last signal to see in which area it issued the signal. In this area has issued a buy signal. I draw a horizontal line. The Williams indicator also issued a buy signal here. Here I draw a vertical line. Both indicators confirm the buy signal, and this signal is valid. Here I open a buy position. See, all 3 targets have been successfully closed with a profit. Before using this strategy, test several times on several different charts. Once you are sure, apply this strategy to your scalping trades. Share this video with your friends so they too can benefit from this strategy. I hope you get the most out of this strategy. Watch this video at least twice from the beginning so that there is no point left. Stay tuned for my next strategies. I suggest you watch this video before using this strategy. In this video I taught the Williams indicator completely. I hope you are profitable.